Hello. Welcome to Mobile NCK Reader.
In this video, we show you the new Realme GT Neo, just made its official debut with a Dimensity 1200 chipset and bold design of the back panel. The phone is almost identical to the Realme GT 5G, down to the measurements, cameras and screen. Realme GT Neo arrives with a Dimensity 1200 chipset in a well-known body. The Realme GT Neo is built around a 6.43 Super AMOLED screen with a punch hole in the right corner. It has Full HD Plus resolution, 120 Hz refresh rate and 360 Hz touch sampling rate. The 6nm Dimensity 1200 chipset by Mediatek is coupled with 3 RAM options: 6GB, 8GB and 12GB, and 2 UFS 3.1 storage choices, 64GB and 128GB. The Realme GT Neo has a 64-megapixel main shooter on the back, flanked by an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle cam and a 2-megapixel macro sensor. The front-facing camera has a 16-megapixel sensor.
If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe and activate the bell.